PPRC, the Pollution Prevention Resource Center, is a very valuable resource in that they bring organizations and individuals and businesses together that typically would not work together and get them to sit down in a room at a table and discuss issues that are common to all of the parties. And I think one of the biggest benefit that PPRC plays in the business realm that I provide service to is that they bring the regulators and the businesses together to try and work on problems together and find solutions that will work both for the business and for the regulator. And that's an incredibly valuable resource for me as a regulator because I don't have the opportunity to work directly with businesses often. So PPRC brings that value to the community in that they provide this link for the forum generation for discussions. One of the biggest strengths that PPRC brings is their knowledge of who to network with, the technical skills that are needed to address some of the technical issues. If they don't have those skills in their own staff, they know who to bring you into contact with. So that's pretty valuable for me. One of the benefits of the network opportunities that PPRC provided through the roundtable is I have a business in my community that has another branch office in a different state. And through the roundtable, I'm able to meet someone that provides technical assistance in the other state. And I'll be able to network those groups together. So from just if it was only one business that I could bring into contact with a technical assistance provider, that's very valuable to me. On a specific note, one of the challenges that my organization faces is that we're being required to target specific toxins and try and find develop a plan or find a method to reduce those. And the technical resources that PPRC brings to the table will help us be able to put a toxic management plan together and target specific audiences that we might not know how to do ourselves. So it's a huge challenge, this whole issue of emerging pollutants of concern, bioaccumulative toxins, chemicals that have been used for years and years in industry and manufacturing that we're just now finding out what the potential long-term health effects of those are, and how do we find substitutions for those or products that will work as well. And I think that's an area where PPRC will play a strong role.